Hi there, quick review on this Novilla memory foam mattress. This is a full size. As you can see, it'll ship to you in a box about this size. It's actually pretty heavy, but easy to manage and pretty impressive that they can fit a mattress in a box like this. As you can see, this is vacuum packaging at its finest. They've literally got all the air sucked out of it, and it's in a nice roll here. A couple important points. I should have opened the instructions before tearing it all apart. They actually enclose this little guy to cut the packaging off. It's going to be much safer than a utility knife, so you don't accidentally cut your mattress trying to get the packaging off. Now, obviously, the package that this comes shipped in, the mattress is very compressed. The literature that comes with the mattress says that it can take 72 hours for it to fully decompress. So I've had this sitting for a few days. I want to show you some of the key features with this mattress. One of the key features worth mentioning is the cover that does come with the mattress. It is removable. Here you'll see the bottom on the back. It's a little bit more durable material here with kind of a mesh netting on the bottom for breathability. That's very nice, but if you want to take this cover off and wash it, it's got a zipper here. It works really well. Nice quality, as you can see, very easy to unzip. So you can take this off and throw it in the washing machine if you need to. And under here, we have the memory foam mattress. Another big positive with this is that it's actually pretty lightweight and easy to carry around compared to the one I'm replacing it with. This one is pretty easy to move. Okay, I got everything put together here. I'm super happy with this whole process with this Novilla mattress. It was easy to purchase. The price is excellent. The mattress is really comfortable, and it's a great value overall compared to going to a mattress store and trying to pick out a mattress. Being able to have this shipped to my doorstep in a box, all compressed, and then just unwrap it and switch them out, you can't really beat it. It's a great value. I'd recommend this mattress.